In today's competitive consumer goods market, data is the key. But simply collecting data isn't enough. Atliq Hardware, a leading hardware producer, recognizes the needs of actionable insights in order to implement data-driven decision making. Hi, my name is Abhishek, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a presentation on consumer goods ad hoc insights. So as you can see with the table of contents, this presentation covers the problem statement, the objective, the analysis, and the insights of the project. So let me give you a brief about the company. Atliq Hardware is one of the leading computer hardware producers in India, as well as expanded in other countries too. They are improvised in manufacturing goods such as laptops, keyboard, mouse, graphic card, batteries, etc. They do have a market presence all around the globe and have their branches in at most 20 countries spread across regions such as APAC region, Latin America, Northern America, and in Europe. So let us now look into the problem statement. So the manager has observed that he was not able to quickly get the insights from the data that they are collecting. So they want to expand the data analytics team by adding several junior data analysts. Tony Sharma, who is the data analytics director, wants to hire someone who is good at both technical and non-technical skills. Hence, he decides to conduct a SQL challenge, which will help him understand both the skills. So the main objective of this project is to complete the 10 ad hoc tasks that are given by Codebasics. So as you can see here, a list of 10 questions have been given to us by the Codebasics, and we need to solve the entire request given by Codebasics by using the given input data that is mentioned over here. So the problem now arises as to how do we analyze the tasks. So we would analyze this task using SQL and PowerBI. We would use SQL in order to complete the data analysis, and we would use PowerBI for the visuals. Note that the SQL database that I'm about to use is the MySQL Workbench database. So now let me introduce you to the team that is responsible for this project. We do have Tony Sharma, who is the data analytics director of Atliq Hardware, and we do have Abhishek Shettigar, who is the data analyst. So now, with all the details of the project, let us move on to the tasks, analysis, and the insights. Speaking about task 1, provide the list of markets in which customer Atliq Exclusive operates its business in the APAC region. So as you can see here, Atliq Exclusive operates its business in 8 countries in the APAC region, namely India, Bangladesh, Japan, South Korea, Philippines, Indonesia, Australia, and New Zealand. So understanding their geographical data provides insights to the customer base and gives a rise to a lot of opportunities to expand their market in order to reach their target customers. Moving on to the second question, what is the percentage of unique product increase in 2021 as compared to 2020? So as you can see here in the graph, in 2020, there were 245 unique products manufactured by Atliq and 334 products launched in 2021, with a total of 579 products launched from 2020 to 2021. So as you can see here, there is a 36.33% increase in the number of unique products manufactured by Atliq. So the percentage increase in the unique products reveals the product diversification and the growth strategies. Number 3, provide a report with all the unique product counts for each segment and sort them in descending order of the product counts. So as you can see here, the top 3 categories are notebook, accessories, and peripherals. They comprise of 80% of our business. Whereas the last 3 categories of desktop, storage, and networking are in the danger zones. So maybe some improvement in products may be required for these segments, maybe improvement in terms of product design, or maybe improvement in terms of product optimization or its friendly use, or maybe related to its marketing. But it's definitely sure that this needs some improvement as it is not getting some business done. Following up, which segment had the most increase in unique products in 2021 as compared to 2020? So if you look at the data here, if you look at the results column, notebook, accessories, peripherals, desktop, storage, and networking, you could see that there is a positive difference in all the 6 categories, which means that there has been more products created in 2021 as compared to 2020 for all the products in all the segments. So this is some good insight for the company. So identifying segments with high unique product counts and tracking helps them to optimize the marketing and their development efforts. Number 5, get the product that has the highest and the lowest manufacturing cost. So from this data, we can see here that the highest manufacturing cost is $241, which is belonging to the AQ Home All-in-One Generation 2, which is a personal laptop. And the lowest manufacturing cost is around $0.89, which is the AQ Master Wired 1MS, which is, I think, belonging to the mouse category. So analyzing products with high and low manufacturing cost would guide and would help us in implementing cost reduction strategies and product portfolio optimizations. Generate a report which contains the top 5 customers who have received an average high pre-invoice discount percentage for the fiscal year 2021 and in the Indian market. So as we can see from the visuals, the top 5 customers with a discount percentage are Flipkart, Vivek, Chroma, eZone and Amazon, with Flipkart getting the highest discount percentage. Number 7. Get the complete report of the gross sales amounts for the Atliq customer exclusive for each month. This analysis helps to get an idea of how low and high performing months and take strategy decisions. So as you can see here with the list in the calendar year 2020 and the calendar year 2021, the highest sales in 2020 would belong to the month of November and the lowest sales would belong to the month of March. And in 2021, the highest sales still belongs to November, whereas in this case, the lowest sales belongs to the month of August. So as you can see here, you can observe that in both the years, highest sales occur during the month of November, which clearly shows that November is the most seasonal favorable month of sales for Atliq exclusive, whereas March and August are the least favorable months for our sales. So if you look at the trend here, you can see here that in 2020 the sales revenue has gone across 10,000 million and it has gone down here up to 500 million, and you can see here from March onwards up to November you can see a slight increase in the revenue, and then once again it has fallen down in December, whereas you see in 2021 it has revenue has almost doubled up for the Atliq, with January starting with 25,000 million US dollars, and as you can see here there has been a little ups and downs in the graph, with its peak reaching up to 40,000 million dollars and once again going down at around 25,000 million dollars. Number 8. In which quarter of 2020 got the maximum total sold quantity? So as you can see here, amongst all the 4 quarters, quarter 4 has managed to make the highest sales with around 7.92 million products sold. And this comprises of around 42% of our sales in the 4th quarter as compared to 1st, 2nd and 3rd quarter. So determining that quarter with the highest total sold quantity in 2020 and comparing it with the contribution in 2021 would provide some valuable insights into seasonal trends and effective sales channels. Number 9. Which channel helps to bring more gross sales in the fiscal year 2021 and the percentage of contribution? So there are 3 channels for Atliq Hardware. Number 1 is the retailer, number 2 is the distributor, and number 3 is the direct channels, out of which retail consists of 70% of the business for Atliq Hardware. So the retailer channel is the most dominant channel, generating around 2/3 of the large company's gross sales. So this suggests that we may want to establish a strong relationship with our retail partners. But let's also not forget about the distributors and director as well. But let's put our primary focus on the retail partners. And number 10, get the top 3 products in each division that have the high total sold quantity in the fiscal year 2021. So as you can see here, for each there are 3 divisions. First one is the N&S, second one is the P&A, and the third is the PC division. So let us observe in the N&S division first. So you can see the product that is getting the highest sales is the pen drive. So you can see, if you observe in all the 3 ranks, it's mostly related to pen drive products in the N&S division. Similarly, when you look at the PNA division, it's all about the AQ gamers or AQ Maximus, which belongs to the laptop categories. And in the PC division, it's all about AQ digit and AQ velocity, which is nothing but the microcontrollers. So if you observe each and every division, for every division in the top three products, categories of different products are repeating at least twice in the ranks. So if you look at the visuals of it, so you can see here there's a huge proof for it. So when it comes to NNS division, you can see that the pen drives are making the most sales. When it comes to P&A division, we get the AQ Maxima and AQ Gamers laptop version. And when it comes to PC division, you've got the AQ Digit and the AQ Velocity, which belongs to the microcontroller category. So identifying the top three products of every division based on the total products sold in 2021 would prioritize the production, marketing, and the sales efforts for these high performing products. And lastly, I would like to first thank Tony Sharma, aka Hemanand Vivedil, and Dhaval Patel. Sir, you not only provide valuable information to your data science students, but you also share your experience, industry experience, and your knowledge through Codebasics. And you are an inspiration to a lot of data science enthusiasts like me. So, sir, to both of you, I'd like to give you a ton of thanks. And at last, for the viewers, I would like to say thank you for attending this session. If you feel that I need any improvement in any session regarding the presentation or regarding the comment, I want you to drop them down in the comment section, and make sure that you follow me on LinkedIn. Also, do not forget to check out my data analyst portfolio mentioned in the link here, and also do check for my GitHub profile if you want to check out my answers, if you do want to check my SQL and PowerBI files into this. So thank you so much for attending, and in the upcoming videos I would definitely post more and more data analytics projects regarding data science. So thank you once again, and I'll see you again.